Hey again, everybody. Today we picked up a box of Topps 2018 Baseball Holiday. We're at the grocery store, saw them. We have a box of Gold Label on its way, but I'm very impatient and I like opening cards, so we figured we would go ahead and open up one of these. On average, one autograph or relic in every box. Got the odds on the back. It shows that relics are 1 in every 11, autographs are 1 in every 297, and autograph relics are 1 in every 3568. So more often than not, you're going to just get a relic in this pack, but it's still possible to get something else. So let's go ahead and see what we get. But before we do that, please leave a like on the video, comment any cards you like that you see in here, or any other boxes that you'd like to see us open. And please subscribe to the channel so we can keep the channel growing. All right, here we go. All right. So we'll have 10 packs in here, each one with 10 cards. And pretty much in every other pack, you're gonna get one of the snowflake inserts. So those look kind of cool. They're also textured, so that's nice too. All right, let's see what we have. All right, you can see the snowflakes all over the cards, and I'll show you guys if we get one of the, when we get one of the inserts, how it's textured. Hap, Kershaw, Mazzara, Keuchel, Tyler O'Neill, Josh Hader, Anthony Rendon, Miggy, James Paxton, and Ian Happ. So it's just like the Topps base set. They've just got the snowflake design on them. This pack feels heavy. I'm gonna wait. Could be completely wrong, but all right. Chris Taylor, Joey Gallo, Eric Thames, Bryce Harper, Paul Goldschmidt, now of the Cardinals, Sean Newcomb, Jay Bruce, Mike Trout, Brian Dozier, and Charlie Blackmon. Cool to pull some rookies out of this. We have opened a box of this off camera and got a few of them. It's always nice to add to the collection any of the different variations of the rookies. Like that. We got Ozzie Albies, Dominic Smith. I'll keep them all together for now. I'll separate that later. All right, and this should be one of the snowflake parallels. So you can see the snowflakes kind of shimmer and they're raised. So we got Rizzo, Gene Segura, Carlos Correa, Luke Weaver, Ian Kennedy, and Kevin Kiermaier. Matt Olson, Jose Abreu, Josh Bell, Francisco Mejia, Ryan Healy, Justin Bohr, Max Scherzer, Travis Shaw, Sean Doolittle, and John Lester. I don't know if any of you guys watch Cards Infinity's channel, but whenever I see a Sean Doolittle, I always want to say Sean Do Much, just like Chris does on that one. All right, George Springer, Dexter Fowler, Whit Merrifield, Cole Hamels, and we got another one of the snowflake inserts, Paul Goldschmidt, Nick Williams, Dustin Pedroia, Steven Piscotty, Trey Mancini, and Sevy. like we're now halfway done. Garrett Cooper, Curtis Granderson. Oh, there's our relic. We got Mookie Betts, American League MVP. Piece of game used jersey. So, see the back of it there. Nice looking card. I guess I was wrong earlier about the other pack being a fat one. Soroka, Giancarlo, new Dodger, AJ Pollock, Jose Barrios, and Anthony Rizzo. All right. Frankie Lindor, Ichiro, Joey Votto, Villanueva, another of the snowflake inserts, Carlos Santana, followed by a base, Carlos Santana. David Dahl, Robbie Cano, Garrett Cole, and Jordan Hicks. All right, we've got 3 packs left. Looking to just add some rookies in here since we've already got our hit for the box. Tim Anderson, Hunter Renfroe, Javi Baez, Scott Kingery, there's a rookie we're looking for, Kevin Gossman, Kenta Maeda, Willie Calhoun, there we go, Ronald Acuna Jr., rookie, nice, Michael Conforto, and Joey Bats. We got 2 packs left. Masahiro Tanaka, Freddie Freeman, the Todd Father, got Shohei, another nice rookie card, and another snowflake insert, Jacob deGrom, Didi, John Gray, Nelly Cruz, J.D. Davis, and Jack Flaherty. And on to our last pack that fooled me earlier. And we have Arenado, Kyle Seager, Edwin Encarnacion, Buster Posey. Yeah, well, snowflake insert of Bryce Harper. That's pretty cool. Curious to see where he's going to end up signing. If any of you guys have any guesses, throw it down in the comments. We can get a conversation going on that. Have really no idea. I still suspect that he's going to end up back with the Nationals. Gregory Polanco, Mookie Betts, Dustin Fowler, Chris Sale, and Miguel Andujar. So that does it for our sets here. Added 100 cards to the collection. And we got the Mookie Betts jersey piece right there. So yeah, not too bad. I mean, it's really not bad when you consider this is 20 bucks and you're guaranteed to get something. So I like it. But anyways, thanks again, guys, for watching. Like I said, comment down below any other boxes that you'd like to see open, and please subscribe to the channel so we can keep opening new cards. All right, thanks again, guys. See ya.